Okay, we're just going to look at part of this week 5 thing. Basically, this exercise here we'll revisit when we do Navisworks, but for now I'm just going to talk to you how to export a drawing from Revit to IFC and to DWG, mainly using the 3D view. Alright, and we'll worry about the rest of this video, which is mainly involved with Navisworks later on. I've got a file here that's loaded, and what I'm going to do is move over to the 3D view right here. And I know it's only a half finished thing, but it's just the procedure that I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, so basically what we'll do is go to here. It's pretty simple really. Hit export, and up here you got CAT formats, and all you want to do is go to DWG. Alright, and basically that's, you just go next, and we can save, set and close, same thing. Alright, so here you've got an option to also go to an earlier version if you so wish. Alright, so just make a note as to where this is going basically. For me it's going to my documents, and because you need to email it to me later. And of course try and put your name on here somewhere as well. Alright, so that's that. Basically that's a drawing file that's been exported, or about to be just been exported now. And you paste to go into AutoCAD and have a look, make sure it all looks good. I'll just fire that up while we're doing something else here. Okay, at the same time you can also export here. You can export to IFC. Sometimes this is a little bit down the road, so you just have to go over the top of this arrow here, or arrow.
What's IFC stand for?
Yeah, industry foundation classes. So it's a way of communicating between different BIM products that may not be able to read the generic file format straight in. It's always preferable if you can read the generic one rather than this. But even in, on some projects that they solely use, say Revit, they sometimes choose IFC as the format of communication between themselves, but that's just what particular projects decide to do. Alright, so I'll leave that happening there. Alright, let's get on with the IFC, and then we'll check that drawing a bit later. Export to IFC, click that there, and really there is not much to do here other than note where it's going, and basically just press save. Alright, so that's simple as that. I mean, it's just like a save as really. Alright, so interesting. How do you bring an IFC in? That's another question. You can go to open. Oh, was it there? It's one of those things that I always get confused as to which way to open it. Let's just cancel that one. We did that the other day, and since then it's all gone. I'll find it in a minute and I'll let you know. Let me just go back to AutoCAD and have a look at this thing here. Open. If I go to here, there's a, oh yeah, alright, 3D. And note the preview there, what it looks like. Open. It's nothing like when it comes in. Alright. Well, it's a bit shaded, but it's not the same colours. So as well. Alright, so the thing is, if you don't export the 3D view, you're just going to get the 2D and that's it. But if you export the 3D view, you get, it's a bit more useful, I suppose, because you can look at it from the top as well, and you still pretty much have a floor plan anyway. Alright, so that's not bad. That looks pretty good actually. I mean, I'm quite impressed with that. It's okay, you know. So that's that. Let me just pause this thing for a minute. Idiot. Hey, that's how you do it. I did go here before, didn't I? So I'll go open. Yeah, IFC. So that's how you do. So where is it? Here you go. I've got an older one there, but that's the one I just did before.
So do you have IFC files also become an IFC so you can export?
Do I have them already?
Is it Is it an IFC, or it becomes an IFC, then you can export?
No. It's the Revit file becomes an IFC. Okay. So it's and that's what the export does.
Transform it into an IFC.
You transform the Revit. I mean, you still got your Revit file, but you obviously got another version that's an IFC version of the same thing, and it comes in. As you can see, this thing here. It's not as pretty as the other one. It doesn't really maintain the colors and all that sort of stuff. Let's go shade it. You know, generally goes to this concrete grey looking thing. All right. So yeah, if I just minimize this, this is what it looked like in the Revit file. All right. So that's basically the the exporting part of it. I'll leave that up to there for now, and we'll continue with some more tips and tricks.